I've got this carbon monoxide detector. It uses two AA batteries. It has a sensor lifespan of 10 years. It also has indicator lights, and its build quality, plastic is really good. And let's unbox it and check it out. Let's take it out. So that's the sensor. We have something to stick it on the wall for the plate. Some screws as well. And that's the actual sensor. And it's so white it says do not paint. So you shouldn't paint over it. The lights are underneath. You see here power alarm, fault, and that's the back. So as you can see, you can take this one out. So you can stick this on the wall, put this on top, stick it as well. Then you put the screws in, and then you can add the sensor on top. Just push it there and it will stay on the wall. Really nice. We got the screws as well. And of course, a manual. Okay, so that's where you put the batteries. If we take this one out. Right, as you can see, these batteries are sealed. So I'll take them out and just open them first, put them back. There we go. So as you can see, the alarm is on now. And here in the middle we also have the button. So if you just press on it, it will stop. It will be silent. Put this one back. So as you can see, if you press once, that's for testing purposes. As you can probably hear, it's quite loud. You'll definitely hear it. And I like that it's like quite slim. And the design is square. It will look quite nice on the wall and it won't stick out too much. It's also suited for residential or commercial facilities, like a hotel, like a house, like anywhere you need one of these detectors. You can put it. It's really easy to install. Just add the batteries, put this, stick it on the wall, make some holes, and you're done, finished. And when you need to change the batteries, you'll see here as well, you can take the batteries out, put some new ones here as well. Really nice and easy. So the way this one works is when the carbon monoxide exceeds a certain threshold, I think it's 50 ppm, the red LED will turn on, and then you'll just hear the alarm, just like that.